Pizza Hut and Domino's.
No, Pizza Hut or the KFC.
Huh?
Pizza Hut, KFC, and Hardee's.
Hardee's.
Hardee's, I think. You see that? There is that place where they sell shawarma after the petrol station. There's after this filling station, there's a place where they sell shawarma. It's called Bristol. It's accommodation for KFC.
Yeah,
My friend.
it's the accommodation.
My friend works there. She stays there. She says KFC and Pizza Hut. It's the same. I don't know for Hardee's. I'm not sure. But she said the job is very hectic.
Busy tayo ngayon dahil ilan yung arrangement? 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 ang arrangement. Ito ang alam ito eh. Ito ang napakabigat chandelier. So yun mga guys, at yan, pang ano to, Big Eid. Ngayon siya di-deliver. So yan, mag-isa ko lang gumawa niyan. Grabe, busy ang person. So pabibilog doon. May dalawang centerpiece pa doon. Tapos pero pang tray doon. Busy.